So we'll be using our market structure series where we look at for now we're going to use line charts to see possible areas of reaction, and the most important thing we are looking and we want to see is where do we have break of structure, and we possibly look for a retest to a break of structure. So the strategy is very simple, and we believe that the line chart will show a graphical representation of where structure was broken, especially where there is a break of a demand floor and where there is a break of a supply roof. And a quick dive we have here: supply roof, supply roof, supply roof, supply roof. Break of a supply roof becomes a demand floor. Demand floor one, demand floor two. Break of a demand floor calls for retest. And that was why when price came to this level, it respected it. So if you are wondering why this place bought, it bought because structure was broken. What structure was broken? A demand floor. So a break of a demand floor calls for retest. Now price will have an ascending demand floor. Demand floor one, demand floor two, demand floor three, demand floor four, demand floor five. Look, a break of this floor, a break of this floor will technically, on technical, bring price to this level. So we are very hopeful. If we don't have another swing from this level, if price fail to swing this level, then it should come down here. That will be a decent risk to reward ratio based on our strategy. So learn to incorporate line chart. Line chart will give you a clear area of reaction. It will show you when structure is broken without without hiding anything. So that is what line charts do. So this is all we have for SAU and the next possible break of structure we see here will be here. We have here is a support structure because price have bought. It led to demand. Here is a support structure because price have bought. So if we connect here, so we can on technical believe that price, because of the holding on SAU, it's very strong. So at this level, price might come down here and show us some meaningful reaction at this level. So we might be expecting some meaningful reaction at this level. Yes, we might be expecting some meaningful reaction at this level. So for now, SAU have dropped and given us a reasonable profit for the day. Yes, we'll start the day on a reasonable note with SAU based on our technical analysis. So it is what it is. It is what it is. So we'll be looking out for break of structure from the demand floor. So if price breaks out from the demand floor, then we'll look out for a retest and have a confirmation on the retest. We'll go short. And when we go short, the next possible buy position will be in the zone of 2,706. 2,706. And in a more extreme case, price could stretch up to this level, 2,682, with peak liquidity and move. And bear in mind that if we have a structure like this, it's still in line, and price might return back from here after picking liquidity. Or this could be the long-term correction of the whole long bullish impulse, the whole long bullish rally of SAU. So this is what we see, and we are very confident that this is going to happen. We are very, very confident that price will pull in this direction. So this is what we see, and at the moment, price is facing an ascending trend line. That ascending trend line has held price firmly. So we are looking for a breakout from that ascending trend line. The breakout from that ascending trend line, we will look out for retest. If retest come, fine. If retest doesn't come, still okay. So if retest comes, then we look at how price can pull from there and do the right thing. But at the moment, the price is building itself in a descending channel. Building a roof, building a floor. You can see this is the demand, this is the demand floor, this is the supply roof. So now price on its own is respecting the descending trend line, which is the supply roof, and at the same time respecting the demand floor, acting as a dynamic support to upswing. So every time price comes on the demand floor, it finds as a foundation for uptick. and when it gets to the supply roof, it's being rejected. So this kind of descending channel pattern, if it continues to play, then it's building liquidity between the two gap. So at the moment, it makes a decent sense that we watch and see if a structure is broken, especially the ascending trend line. If it breaks, then we'll go short. We'll go short from there. So we'll be watching it. We'll be watching it critically.